we are about to start our journey to Pakistan.
Here we go. Pakistan.
So we are about to start our journey to Pakistan.
Pakistan. Here we go again.
So this is where it all starts. We still back at home in Ireland. I am just starting to pack and get ready for our journey to Pakistan. Let me just show you. This is a work in progress. Plenty of bags, plenty of stuff. Everything is kind of thrown around everywhere. Just gathering stuff. Anything and everything basically, but this is how it goes. It usually takes me about a couple of days to pack the way I want, because we do have to take a lot of stuff with us. We still have some Pakistani money left since last year, and those of you that are following the channel will have known that we really wanted to get back to Pakistan as quick as possible. But anyway, I always knew we would. There's a funny story about this money here that we have left. That money meant to pay for our last lunch in Pakistan, and I put it into my pocket. And then I couldn't find it. So I always knew, to me it's a sign. If I'm coming back from a country with a bit of money in my pocket in that currency from their country, that means I will be definitely back for sure. That's just the way it is. So when I couldn't find that money to pay for our last lunch in Pakistan, I was like, we are definitely coming back. So I cannot wait. Obviously there is always a bit of a sadness, but leaving the house and all as well, because you're quite settled here and your usual life. But there is, I'm sure, more exciting things waiting for us in Pakistan. We are going to be visiting Skardu and Khaplu and other quite remote places in Pakistan. So again, we want to be ready. We don't want to miss anything. So I better get going and finish my packing. So it's almost midnight and Magic is actually still packing. We need to get up at 3.5 hours to be on time in Dublin airport for about 6 o'clock. So from me, sweet dreams, and I will see you in the morning. Time to go to Pakistan.
Nowhere. I stay here.
Oh, it's hard to get up. Almost at the airport. I hope you are more excited than you were this morning at 3:30.
Let's go.
So we are about to reach Dublin airport. Where's the sunshine? Spectacular sunrise this morning. Almost there. So we are about to start our journey to Pakistan.
Pakistan. Here we go again.
So our first flight of the 3 is delayed, but hopefully we get going now so we can catch our flight in Doha. So we're just going and hopefully it's not late because we don't have much time in between. So fingers crossed. Fingers crossed.
The engine is locked up.
Oh, the engine will work. Boarding.
Our 15 kg plus a 7 kg.
Bit of a queue, but almost there. Yeah, we are always over baggage, but we are very grateful to Etihad Airways for accepting the over baggage. 4 bikes. We're doing a lot of stuff in fairness.
20 kilometers per hour.
Long way to go. Morning. Morning. We are at the back of the plane. What?
Keep going.
Right now, lock it. I hate boarding, squeezing between people. Morning. Excuse me.
Ano, 52K?
We are here.
Oh, window.
Can I sit here?
That's our spouse.
That's the window.
So, the last view from Dublin. Not a bad weather today.
Like this, let's do the puzzle.
So our first flight is to Abu Dhabi.
Go ahead, whose bag is this?
It's 42 degrees there, so a bit of a change
Okay, very good.
in the Irish weather.
Close it. Fingers. Okay.
I just want to get going at this stage. We are wrecked. We are up since 3:30 in the morning. So we just want to get going. Finally on the go after a long wait. So we're still hoping to make flight number 2 today. That's very nice. So just getting to the runway and the weather is fab. So slowly moving. I know, I'm tired. It won't be long before we fall asleep by the sun. So we landed in Abu Dhabi and we are trying to catch our next flight. So we better hurry up.
To Bucharest. If you hear this announcement, please proceed.
We made it.
Thank you.
So one more flight. So you might be interested why we doing 2 plane changes to get to Pakistan, because it is actually quite easy to get flight to Pakistan with 1 change of planes like we did last year. From mainland Europe you can change anywhere in the Middle East. But the reason why we're going that now with 2 changes in Doha is actually we want to visit Doha as well on the way back from Pakistan, and also it's much cheaper. The tickets worked out much cheaper with the 2 flight changes. So we are going to be flying to Pakistan with Pakistan Airlines. But for now, the last flight of today fly to Doha, and tomorrow we will get on the journey then to Islamabad.
That's smart.
We're saving some money because we have so little.
Tira un po' più giù la tua testa, dai, su dei milioni. Perdo io, mi sa.
Welcome in Qatar. So Magic is just picking up the bags there. So actually we had an awful time here at Doha Airport, and we're going to head to the hotel and continue our journey to Islamabad tomorrow. And there's Magic with the bag. That's one bag gone, the other bag to go. So we will continue our journey to Islamabad tomorrow. So in the meantime, if you like to like and comment our channel, or else have a look at our episodes about Pakistan last year. And like I said, in the next episode, we will be boarding a flight from Doha to Islamabad. So thanks for watching, guys.